Best Plunge Router. Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best plunge router that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita RT0701CX7 Compact Router Kit. The Makita name is well known among woodworkers for its high quality, long-lasting power tools, and this router is no exception. We have faith in its durability thanks to its nearly exclusive use of metal parts across various applications, dictionaries, and encyclopedias. This is one of the most lightweight routers we've used, yet it is constructed of sturdy components. When used manually, its light weight of 3.9 pounds makes it easy to move about your workpiece. The plunger attachment is designed with big grips for maximum control during use. The plunger is attached firmly so that you may use it with confidence, yet it can be removed quickly and easily with a clip. A piece of transparent plastic is included in the plunger to shield you from flying sawdust and wood chips without obstructing your view of the project. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bosch MRP23EVS PK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. This router is typical of Bosch's contractor-grade equipment, which is built to withstand heavy use over time. It boasts a strong engine that can quickly and easily cut through any wood, from soft pine to hard maple and oak, industrial materials and equipment. Being one of the loudest at 90 decibels, this router's strong motor explains why it is so noisy. Earplugs will be needed constantly, and the noise may be annoying to others in other parts of the house. The motor's speed may be adjusted between 8,000 and 25,000 RPM, allowing you to find the sweet spot for your particular material in terms of clean cuts, little tear out, and rapid cutting. It may be molded to suit your needs regardless of the nature of your work. Furthermore, it is nicely balanced and creates less vibration even while moving rapidly. At number 3, we have the Festool 574692 Router OF1400 EQ Imperial. Festool makes some of the finest equipment for dealing with wood, and this router is no exception. The sturdy 134 horsepower, 7 AMP motor makes short work of any woodworking task. Routing tools, depending on the material you're working with, control and cutting efficiency may be optimized by selecting a motor's speed between 10,000 and 22,500 RPM. You can be sure that it will survive many years of usage in your workshop due to the combination of robust plastic, high-quality rubber, and metal in its construction. The router's comfortable handles are one of its best features. Both a conventional knob grip and a larger, trigger-equipped handle are included. It's easy to handle and provides assurance while you work. At number 2, we have the Hitachi KM12VC Router Kit. Hitachi is now known as Metabo HPT, but its powerful and long-lasting tools for the construction industry remain unchanged. This router is built to last through numerous jobs and years of use, dictionaries and encyclopedias. A strong 214 horsepower, 11 AMP motor allows for the rapid processing of a wide variety of materials. The motor's speed may be adjusted from 8,000 to 24,000 RPM, allowing for precise, clean cuts through any kind of wood. This router clocks in at a hefty 9.9 kilograms. It's not too difficult to maneuver around your workpiece, and the feedback you receive will boost your confidence as you do your job. You'll want to wear earplugs because it cranks out 79.5 decibels while in use, but it shouldn't wake up the neighbors. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch MRP23EVS. This tool, which weighs around 18 pounds out of the box, is built to last and operate well. However, this adds weight that makes the tool awkward to use for hand routing. You may attach the Bosch MRP23EVS to a router table with the included threaded holes. There is a lockable power switch on the handle, and the other controls are similarly conveniently placed. Dictionaries and encyclopedias, Micro adjustments may be made with ease because of the smooth plunge mechanism and the ergonomic, comfortable grips. Despite the router's heft, it nevertheless performs admirably. With dust management being an issue, the Bosch MRP23EVS's lack of a plastic cover on the operator's side is perplexing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.